Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Signal pin. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Signal app and tap on your profile photo in the top left corner to get to Settings. Then tap on Privacy. Scroll down the privacy settings to the Signal pin heading and tap on Change your pin. Then simply type in the pin you would like to change to and tap Next. Re-enter your new pin and tap Next again. Your Signal pin is now changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Signal tips and tricks.